This is my job. I don't even pick sides. I've never voted in my life.
Yet, here you are in a conversation about politics. Young lady, if you have never voted, you don't have a voice.
The Ministry of Health and Wellness was awarded $6.43 billion for the fiscal year 2023 to 2024. However, yet we still have people sleeping on floors, in wheelchairs. There's even a hospital in Kingston that is only one theater that's operating. So what was done with that money?
Where did you get that information from?
Take a look at this.
Okay, where do you get this video?
It's all over the internet. Shows how informed you are.
Okay. It's okay. I will have it sorted. Alright?
I'm so sorry, Doctor. I'm sorry.
You say your name was?
Celine.
Celine. Celine, the file for Minister Edwards. Where can I find it?
Oh, that's right. That's all right.
Thank you. Over here, you said?
Yes, that's correct.
Blink twice if you can hear me. Good. So your name is Celine? I don't trust you. Especially with that move. Shows that you're trained. Now what secretary is going to know how to do that combat move? Whosoever sent you here, I'm going to find out. Now don't worry, you'll be able to move fully in a few hours. In the meantime, enjoy this break.